Hari, oh, good morning, viewers. Today we have Kajal ma'am with us. She's an expert astrologer. Kajal ma'am, good morning. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, Ram, and good morning to all the viewers of the channel Vedic Way of Life. I extend my heartiest greetings to everyone. I am Kajal Sharma. I am a teacher and astrologer by profession, and I'm teaching astrology for last 18 years. I started my teaching in the prestigious institution of ICAS, and I learned from ICAS only, which was founded by great astrologer of the 20th century, Dr. B.V. Raman, and he's regarded as the father of modern astrology. And I was conferred upon the honorary degree of Jyotish Vachaspati also for contributing my services as a teacher in the same organization, the ICAS. So that is my introduction, and I use Prashna Shastra extensively in my reading of Jyotish. When I do Jyotish reading, I use Prashna Shastra extensively in that.
Okay. So, thank you, ma'am, for your introduction. So, can you elaborate a little bit more on what is Prashna Shastra?
Prashna means question, and Prashna Shastra in astrology, which is popularly in English, it is known as Horary astrology. So it is based on Hora. Hora is like Ahoratri is the word in Sanskrit. So Aho is the day and Ratri is the night. So of the beginning and three of the ending. When it is cut, Hora is there. Hora means that a particular time, a moment of particular time, and an hour. Hora means an hour, but a particular moment of time. So Prashna Shastra, the basis of Prashna is the movement which is there in which in which time the Prashna comes in. The Prashna involves, the Prashna takes birth. That particular movement is taken into consideration. So Prashna is always there in our mind, every time, all the time. I am sure that there is some Prashna in your mind now, in my mind, but that the thing which works for Prashna is the intensity of Prashna. That is when it comes out of the mind with intensity in verbal form or a written form. Then
That was an
that time the horoscope is cast.
That was an
Yes.
excellent point, ma'am. So, a lot of times we know we are thinking about something for some time. Should I buy a house or not? And it takes many
Hmm.
days or many months, and then we finally go and consult an astrologer saying that, shall I buy a house? So, how do we do prashna in that case?
Yes.
Do I take the time and the first thought popped into my brain, or when the person consults the astrologer?
Hmm. Yes, when person consults the astrologer, or if he is not directly, he has not gone to astrologer, but if with the intensity that Prashna has come in mind, he has written it somewhere. Matlab in some physical form that Prashna has to come out. Like the child horoscope is cast when after delivery only the child horoscope of a child is being made. So same way Prashna horoscope is only casted when the Prashna comes out either in verbal form or in writing. Till it is in mind, because the Prashnas keep coming and going in mind. So till that
Okay.
time we don't take it as
Okay.
Prashna.
And is it when the astrologer picks up the question for reading, or is it when the I have written down the question? Because at least nowadays we immediately call the astrologer and we talk. So there is no difference between the time when it is coming out from the person to and the astrologer response. But in olden days, people used to write letters,
Hmm.
and it used to take 2 days or 10 days to reach the astrologer, and
Hmm.
then the astrologer will cast a chart. So how did it evolve? So will it be for when the
Yes.
time when the astrologer gets a question, or is it when the time when the person starts writing down the question?
Hmm. If the person has written the question with the time, example, he has written the question, when will I get the job? And he wrote that 2:43 a.m. in the morning on 19th July 2021. suppose that this is what he wrote, because this is the future thing I'm talking about. So so that time we will take that time into consideration. But if the time is not mentioned, then accuracy of time is not there. So we take the time when the prashna is put before astrologer. Accuracy of time is must.
Okay.
Hmm.
So can you elaborate a little bit more on how you normally read a Prashna chart, like an introduction, so that any person can understand how how you approach Prashna?
So when we cast a horoscope, that time the utmost thing which has to be taken into consideration is the accuracy of time, intensity of the prashna, and sincerity of the prashna. So if all these things are there, and yes, insincerity of the astrologer also. Okay. So all these things are there. Then what we see is the lagna. First thing is the lagna and moon also, because moon is mind. And lagna and the subject matter and the topic for which the question is being asked. If the question is asked for marriage, then seventh house along with lagna will be taken into consideration. If 10th house, then if the profession has been asked, then 10th house we will take. If property has been asked, then we will take the fourth house. If there is a query, like I come across so many queries which I don't know sometimes that in which house it has to be put. Like one has asked that we are living in a house and we want to shift in the another room, or another, or I want to shift the level, one level up. I want to go in the house, and I am
Yeah.
living in downstairs. I want to go. So and that time when we are confused. Sometimes we are confused. What house should be taken into consideration? That time 11th house should be taken into consideration as the ichha purti, or desires, fulfillment of desires.
Okay.
So if the good combination is there in between these two, Lagnesh and Karyesh, the house which is uh, for which the question is being asked. So if the good combinations are there, then the query will be fulfilled. Otherwise, it is not. But it is not only the good combination between these two. If there is not a good combination, we have to see the position of moon also.
Okay.
So and the other benefic planets also. It's like a study, a vast study. But main thing is that, which I told you, that Lagnesh and Karyesh, accuracy of time, Lagnesh and Karyesh.
Okay. So can we apply Prashna in all cases?
Apply Prashna in yes, but their limitations are always there, Ram. Limitations are there for Prashna. Is first is the time. That Prashna can be valid only for 1 year.
Okay.
Maximum time validity is 1 year. Then one person at a time can ask one Prashna only. Though in our Shastras, it is written that first question you can see from Lagna, and the second from Moon, and the third from Sun, and so on. But what I find in my astrological readings, that first question only of first person, the person. If the other person is coming, then the question is valid for next person. It's okay. But for one person, one question is only valid, for which is seen from Lagna.
Okay.
That is the most accurate results comes from that.
Okay. So based on your experience, we are getting better results if it is only one question. But when we say one question, is it just one question, or if, say for example, somebody says, can I look at a promotion, and you say yes, so then people will naturally get interested in when will the promotion come. So is that still part of the first question, or is it treated as a second question?
Yes, related question is the part of the first question, because it is this question is interrelated. If the promotion, because the question is valid for 1 year only. So if he gives the time, sometimes the person who is asking the question gives you the time that my promotion is due in 3 months. Will I get the promotion? Then there is no need to tell the time. Then the 3 months, if it is coming yes, or it is coming no, the question part, the answer is over. But if she says, in this year, will I get the promotion? Yes, there are chances. So in this year, which trimester I will get the promotion? Then the question is that. So then again, we have to see the combination. The closer the combination between Lagnesh and Karyesh, then the first trimester. If it is little far, then the second trimester, and so on. So
Okay.
we have to see other things only into we have to take into consideration as the things will unfold, and then we will be telling that.
Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the short introduction on Prasna. Viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit like button down, and we will keep publishing more and more videos with Kajal ma'am. Be on the lookout for them. Thank you.